Last month I lost over 33 pounds doing keto. This morning my ketones was 0.6 and my blood glucose was 87. My morning HRV is 7.5. And this is my keto dinner. Slow cooked ribs. Cooked them for 8 hours. Garden fresh peas, bacon, ham, and butter. Kerrygold butter to dip. And Crystal Light tea to drink. Let me tell you, this is a very keto dinner. My friend Denise from high school found this old picture of me. Yes, I was cute. I don't know what happened. Anyways, here's a keto fat snack. I wanted some bread, butter, and jelly, so I'm making my own bread. Keto bread. It's extremely easy to make. Just need some olive oil, an egg, some baking powder, and some almond flour. You want it to be more of a dessert bread? Add some cinnamon, vanilla, and some erythritol. Crack an egg in your mug. That's why this is called mug bread. A dash of salt for flavor. 4 tablespoons of almond flour. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Not bacon powder, baking powder. A tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all up and that is bread. But we want to make this some dessert bread, so we're going to add in cinnamon, vanilla, and sweetener. Mix it all up with a fork, put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, be careful the mug is hot, but it's very easy to tip out. Slice with a knife, put some butter on. I have a few different types of sugar-free jelly, which works out great. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave some comments down below. Have a great day.